scattered all over the map wherever the truck got stuck.
Oh,
Well,
don't worry.
the dealer closes at 6 o'clock, so we can't reset. Well, we can. It's just we'd lose our tender truck for the day. So
Don't worry. Jake is here.
Jake is in the Kenworth T600.
Whoa! It's the fastest thing we got.
Yeah, that thing hauls ass. So, Mike, what do you think the damage is?
What's that?
What do you think the damage is?
Well, when we flip her back over, it might be a convertible.
Okay, good. It's a low top, flat top, technically.
Yeah.
It's a rat rod.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way,
rat
don't
rod.
take that same jump you did with the pickup with the semi.
Oh God.
Oh crap!
If that thing goes down, then we're really screwed. What does AAA call when AAA gets stuck?
Anybody got a wrecker? Why do you guys need a wrecker? Don't worry about it. Just find a wrecker.
In here, you guys thought we were gonna play Farm Sim. Shame on you. Where are we? Alright. We are next to the BGA.
Oh,
You know,
crap.
I've never used the BGA yet. I don't think. I can't see
Joe.
Jake. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God.
He's
Oh.
back getting the other Kenworth, so
He's switching out. That's how you know. Let me just. Oh my God! What is? It's flying off into black space. How does that happen, Jake? You. How does this happen, Jake? What is going on?
It may have went off the side of 23.
God. Dude, wait till you see the video of what is actually going on right now. We're in the fourth dimension of space. Mike, go tab into that Kenworth right now.
What?
How does Jake do it? How is that even possible?
I was following the road by 23, and all of a sudden I see the tracks disappear, and I'm like, oh.
You drove off the map. Oh my God. How's that? Oh my God.
Who's bringing the other Kenworth over?
Oh my God. That thing is toast. That has no choice but to get reset at this point.
Where's our second Kenworth? Is Joe driving it?
Oh my God. This is just going from bad to worse, really. I mean,
This is gonna make for a great video.
well, we're just stuck here, and this is where you go for timeout. You get locked on the dealer. If you have to reset your vehicle after 6 o'clock, it's on timeout.
Mike, don't follow the road by 23 because the railroad tracks disappear, which means that's the end of the map. And when you're doing 90 mile an hour, you aren't gonna stop in time.
God damn it, Jake.
Oh, I'm loving this.
Jake, you had to have known when you, crash and burn that. You're like, ah, fuck. Oh my God. I just got smoked.
Something was up when I started tapping vehicles.
Yeah, all of a sudden I was on.
I need to add passenger scripts to these trucks now.
Do you have them in this one?
No.
Anybody else's ribs hurt from laughing?
I'll bring the ATI just in case someone drives it off the map.
I'm sitting in the pickup. I figure this is the least most technical spot I can get right now.
I don't even know how you do that, Jake. It blows my mind.
I was like driving by 23 and I saw 23 and there was another field to the west of 23. Obviously I wasn't paying enough attention. I happened to look up and I go, damn, the railroad tracks disappeared. Oh shit.
Oh God, damn it!
That's a good double jump when you come up that hill by 23.
We need to get like a monster truck.
That would be fun.
I wish I was recording that. I came over both those hills and Kenworth sunken up in the air.
Yeah, you're gonna need to get action or something or any recording software.
I've got recording one that came with the computer, so I just got to learn how to use it.
Good, you're gonna need to use it very much.
So just so everyone knows, this is where Jake drove off the frickin' map. Exhibit A.
Oh shit. Whoops. I got that on video.
Come on, go one more. I landed on my wheels, thank God.
Hold on. Wait for Joe. Don't hit me. Go around me and do it.
Oh, that was funky.
Did you get the barrel roll I had after?
Yeah, full stop. Back up. Go the other direction. Yeah, I got everything.
I missed something good.
Yeah.
This pickup makes a great ramp.
Don't tell me you flipped the Kenworth now, too.
No, I barrel rolled it 6 times.
It landed right off, but it went so Go just tap one. Come on, Mike, back up.
I know.
Go tap this pickup. ATI takes too long. Just tap the pickup. Trust me, this is gonna be great.
I'm coming!
I'm standing here taking video.
A good straight.
Where do you guys think I'm gonna be coming out? I'm gonna sneak up on you. Sneaky, sneaky.
No, like, you really need to watch. This makes it perfect. I would just leave the pickup here.
You should be able to hit 90 by the time I get to you.
Number left, you get stuck up in the tree. How the hell did a Kenworth get up there? Don't ask questions you don't want answered.
So I see the truck. Where's the Kenworth?
Coming. Don't hit the truck. Go. Hit it.
Here they come. What's your speed? Oh my God! The impact. Holy shit! That was perfect!
I want to try that. Let me do it.
That was literally perfect! Holy shit, that was smooth.
One more time. I gotta hit that tree this time.
You gotta get more speed. More speed. Hold
I
on.
think I hit 80.
I'll position the truck.
No, the truck's fine. He just hit it at the wrong angle.
I gotta add a second ramp.
What are you gonna do? Park behind? Oh God. Oh, hey, you're probably pushing it too far. All right, go, Mike. Oh God. Oh God. I got the camera ready.
I think I
Yeah,
got
there
the
goes
gap.
Woo! Yes! Maximum height. Get up. Yes! 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 It's good! It's like the Bronco kicker. We hit the post.
I was doing good until I caught the cab of the tractor and it threw me into the tree.
Well, it looked like you got more. It was like a kicker. You got more height from it, though.
Yeah, I definitely did.
Where you going?
Coming around. Whoops.
Ouch.